Hello my guys, and welcome to another episode. For this episode, unboxing only on new headlights. On this episode I'm just gonna show you this headlight. This is for any 99 to 2004 for F-250, F-350, F-450, F-550 Super Duty. This is gonna be a replacement headlamp with black housing, clear lens, and amber reflectors. Unfortunately, I'm not able to do the installation on this episode. In case that you have one for F2, 3, 4, and 550, this is a good replacement for you. In a future video, once I get the truck, because the truck has been in a shop for like 7 months already, and mechanics can't figure out what's wrong with it. Last time I get it, it was like last week. They say they fix it, bring it to the house, and it started doing the same thing. But I wasn't able to put the headlights. The headlights that truck has, they're really damaged, they're really bad, especially because the headlights that I put last time, they used to have a black housing inside. A black housing in here, and now it started looking really ugly chrome. The plastic is getting bad, so this is gonna be a good replacement. And the reason why I'm gonna replace them again on that red F-250, it's been in the channel before, is because for some reason when I did the installation on the last headlights, it got damaged. They got damaged on this part right here and this part right here. It was really weak on the other headlights, so we're gonna see later on if this replacement is gonna do any good once we put them on. But this is the headlights. They don't have black in the inside. I don't know why the other ones they have black on this part of the reflector. This one is chrome and everything else is black. Actually, it's gonna look really good because probably this one is not gonna miss the paint inside the reflector like the other ones, but this is gonna be a really good replacement. It doesn't have the bulbs. Bulbs are not provided, but right here is the turn signal, the running light, and this one as well doesn't have the bulbs, but right here you're gonna put your halogen bulb or LED. I'm gonna leave the link in the description for these headlights in case you need them. Once I get the truck, we're gonna do the installation. New headlights, link in the description if you wanna get them. And once I get the truck, we're gonna see the quality and how long they're gonna last and if they're gonna fit correctly. But for what I see on the reviews, this is a good replacement. Link in the description. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.